Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending July 31st, the major indexes gained as investors saw an oversold stock market as a buying opportunity. Durable goods orders were a bit weaker than expected in June, up 0.3%. However, if we exclude transportation orders, durable goods orders increased for the month by 0.6%. Home prices increased at a fast pace in May, up 0.3% compared to April. But the Pacific region saw the largest price decline. Consumer confidence continued to falter in July, declining to 90.8 compared to 92.2 in June. In their July policy meeting, the Federal Reserve left Fed funds rate, the interest rate that is, unchanged at 3.63% and still holds to an inflation target of 2%. The first estimate of the second quarter GDP came in at 1.5%. Personal income and personal consumption expenditures both came in below expectations in June. However, after adjusting for inflation, personal consumption expenditures remained relatively strong, resulting in better than expected second quarter consumer spending and reinforcing the view that the U.S. consumer remains on solid footing despite higher prices following the Iran conflict. And finally, the employment cost index increased slightly higher than expected, which is showing a deterioration in purchasing power of wages and salaries going forward. Year to date, the Dow is up 9.2%, the S&P is up 9.4%, and the Nasdaq is up 9.2% as well. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.7%. Oil closed at $84.67 a barrel. Gold closed at $4,042.68 an ounce, with silver closing at $57.66 an ounce. For this week of August 3rd, Monday we'll get manufacturing data and construction spending. Tuesday, job openings and factory orders will be reported. Wednesday, we'll get the ADP employment report and U.S. services data. Thursday, weekly jobless claims and monthly wholesale trade will be reported. And on Friday, the employment report, the unemployment rate, and consumer credit all will be reported. And as always, we keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, call us to schedule a Zoom consultation to explore how our services may be of benefit to you. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.